Generally, when we talk about months, we refer to solar months, based on the Earth's motion around the Sun. However, the Moon follows its own periodic cycles around the Earth. These are known as lunar months. There are multiple types of lunar months, but in this video, we will focus on the two principal ones, the Sidereal and the Synodic month. Let us begin with the Sidereal month. To understand it clearly, we will use a visual reference. We mark the Moon's initial position relative to distant space and measure the time it takes for the Moon to return to the same position. Now, let us start the animation. The Moon takes 27.32 days to complete one full orbit around the Earth and return to the same position relative to distant stars. This period is known as a sidereal month. It represents the Moon's true orbital period around the Earth. We now move on to the Synodic month. To understand this cycle, we must expand our view from the Earth-Moon system to the Sun-Earth-Moon system. This time, instead of tracking the Moon relative to distant space, we track its position relative to the Sun, specifically when the Moon lies directly between the Earth and the Sun. Now, let us start the animation. As the Earth orbits the Sun, this reference direction changes continuously. Although the Moon completes one sidereal orbit in 27.32 days, the Earth has moved forward along its orbit during this time. As a result, the Moon is no longer aligned between the Earth and the Sun. To return to the same Sun-Earth-Moon alignment, the Moon must travel a little further along its orbit. This longer period is called the Synodic month, and it lasts 29.53 days. Today we learned about the Synodic and Sidereal lunar months. Here is a summary table.